Hey there, welcome to the ukestuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of my chord melody arrangement of Streets of Laredo. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to first of all demonstrate it on GCEA, then DGBE ukulele. Then I'll do a tutorial on GCEA and a tutorial on DGBE ukulele. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like the video, second, you can subscribe to the channel, and third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. And finally, this is available for free on my website. If you want the PDF of it, it's at ukestuff.info. Just look under My Tabs, look under Chord Melodies, and you should see Streets of Laredo either for GCA or DGBE ukulele. All right, let's begin with the demonstrations. All right, on GCA ukulele, first of all, let's look at the chords you need. You need an F chord, and you're going to need two versions of that. You're going to need a normal F chord and one where you put the pinky on the first string, third fret. You'll need a C7. You'll need a normal C chord, and then versions of that where you only play strings 4, 3, and 2. And then at other times of the song, you're only going to be playing strings 4, 3, and 2, such as part of the F chord, C chord with the second string, third fret, like that. We're at to measure 9 now. F chord again, C7, F, C, strings 4, 3, and 2. D minor chord, a little different G minor chord. F, different version of C7, playing the fourth string, third fret, and then an F chord. Now let's actually walk through it. First string, third fret. F chord with the pinky on the first string, third fret. Walk down, first string, first fret, first string open, C7, first string, third fret, first string, first fret, F chord, second string, third fret, second string, first fret, C chord without the first string, third string, second fret, third string, open, repeat that, third string, open, F chord without the first string, repeat the second string, C chord where you're playing the second string, third fret, but not the first string. Now we go to the first string, open, first, F chord, second string, third, second string, first, then that C chord again where you're playing the second string, third fret, then up to the first string, third fret, F chord. And by the way, in the demo recording I made, I started off like that, but I should have started off with the pinky. So that's a little tip for both of these, is when you're playing that first F chord and that first note, start with your pinky on that first string, third fret. Then your F chord, first string, first fret, first string open, C7 chord, first string, third fret, first string, first fret, F chord, second string, third fret, second string, first fret, C chord except for the first string, then third string, second, third string, open, repeat that, third string, open, then a D minor chord except for the first string, repeat the second string, a different version of the G minor. So it's very much like a G7 except you're building it on the third string, second fret, and the other two fingers down around it, first string, open, first string, first fret, then an F chord, then play, third string open, which is your C, then you have the fourth string, third fret, and then strings 4, 3, and 2. And I'm purposely using my ring finger there so I can drop into the F chord really easily with just lifting one finger and adding the other two without having to switch my hand around there. And that's Streets of Laredo on GCEA ukulele. Now let's take a look at baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, let's start off by looking at the chords you need. You need a C chord, but you're going to have to add your pinky to the first string, 3rd fret occasionally. G7, normal C chord, G chord without the first string, 2nd line, C chord without the first string, a different G chord where you're going to actually play the 2nd string, 3rd fret, strings 4, 3, and 2, C chord, that G chord again. Then, very much like the beginning, C chord with the pinky, G7, C chord, G chord without the first string, then A minor chord without the first string, D minor chord, a very different one, where your first finger is going to go on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and the other 2 fingers down the next fret, C chord, then a different G7, we're going to play the 4th string, 3rd fret, and I use my ring finger for that, and then your C chord at the end, strings 4, 3, and 2. Now let's actually walk through it. You start off with, and I suggest using your pinky, I forget to do it, but on the 1st string, 3rd fret, I would start off by using your pinky so then you can play the C chord by just adding it. Or you can actually make the whole chord shape and just be ready to go. 1st string, 1st fret, 1st string open, G7, 1st string 3rd fret, 1st string 1st fret, C chord, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2nd string 1st fret, G chord, then 3rd string 2nd fret, 3rd string open. That's our low G. Repeat that. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 2nd string. G chord with the 2nd string 3rd fret. 1st string open. 1st string 1st fret. C chord. 2nd string 3rd fret. 2nd string 1st fret. G chord with the 2nd string 3rd fret. Jump up 1 string to the 1st string 3rd fret, and again, use your pinky there. I almost forgot. So that's going to make that easy. And play 1st string 3rd fret, then your C chord. With that note still being held, 1st string 1st fret, 1st string open, G7, 1st string 3rd fret, 1st string 1st fret, C chord, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2nd string 1st fret, open, strings 4, 3, and 2, 3rd string 2nd fret, 3rd string open. Repeat the 3rd string. A minor chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 2nd string twice. Then a D minor chord, which is just like actually your D7, except you're going to be switching it over to here. So your first finger is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and there are 2 fingers around it. Not string 1. Then open 1st string, 1st fret, 1st string, then a C chord. Play the low G on the 3rd string, open. Then a G7, which I would suggest playing the 4th string, 3rd fret with your ring finger, and then just being able to switch to your C, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that is Streets of Laredo on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial for my arrangement of Streets of Laredo chord melody for DGBE and GCEA ukulele. Again, you can find it at ukestuff.info. Just go to My Tabs and look under chord melody, and it should be listed there at Streets of Laredo. All right, thanks again so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.